Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new crypto tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. Now previously I made a video on this and it was done via a third party person in Binance who essentially you sell the crypto to them directly, they send you the money to your bank account. And I made that tutorial as that at the moment is the only possible way that I could find, given the regulatory issues, to get money from Binance to your bank. And today I'm coming at you with a brand new version, but once again in the UK or other similar places, it revolves around having a third party middle person as such. Now previously that was a real person. This time what it's going to be is it's going to be an exchange. So I'm going to basically, if I go into my wallet, you'll see the coins that I have. I'm going to sell and send my crypto from Binance to crypto.com, another exchange, and then from crypto.com I'm going to withdraw it to my bank account directly because I know I can do that via the crypto.com app. So first things first, to get started, I'm going to make sure I have the coins ready that I want to withdraw. I'm going to tap withdraw once I'm on my wallet, and then I'm going to select the coin. In this case it's USDT. I'm going to select that. I'm going to select send via crypto network to a known crypto address, which is the case. I'm then going to select the network. Now, when I go over to crypto.com, I've logged in. I'm going to select deposit crypto from other platforms. I'm going to select the coin that I want to deposit, and it is USDT. Now, I'm going to select that right there. It's going to ask me to select the network. Now, there is no Chronos on Binance and there is no BEP20 on crypto.com because there are exchanges that are essentially competing with one another. So in essence, I'm going to add and select Polygon, which is a neutral one. I'm going to copy that USDT wallet address for Polygon, go back over to Binance, and then I'm going to find the Polygon network, select that. I'm going to hold down and add the new address. It is a USDT address. I'm going to add that right there. The network is Polygon, and it's going to be my CDC address. I'm going to select address origin, and then I'm going to put exchange, platform, and then does it give me crypto.com? It doesn't. I'm just going to select other, CDC, add the original name. Then I can select save. It's going to ask me to get my authenticator code. And that address has now been saved to my whitelist section of withdrawal accounts on Binance. I'm going to go back. I'm going to select USDT, send via crypto network once again. I'm going to select from the address book my newly added address, which is CDC, and it's via Matic, Polygon. I select that. Network is going to be once again Polygon. And withdrawal is going to be, and there's a $1 fee. I'm going to select, and then so I've selected $96.78 to withdraw. I'm going to receive $95.78 due to a $1 network fee. Fine, I select withdraw. I select confirm. It's going to ask me for authenticator code. So once you've got the email saying the deposit has been confirmed and completed, then you can head over to the crypto.com app, select accounts, and then you can select and see that you've got a Tether USDT balance now as well when you may not have had that. You can then select right here. I've just done a test transaction where I converted $50 to Great British Pounds, 64 US dollars, sorry, Tether to British Pounds. So I've got $30 remaining. So what you would do with the full amount that just got transferred over, you could select sell USDT, select cash, and then select GBP wallet. Now this is where we're able to sell crypto directly to fiat currency, and it is worth noting that during this process it is imperative you select the right network and address when you're transferring money from one place to another. I am not a financial advisor. Please consult your own financial advisor for this and make sure you do your own research and get everything right when it comes to that transfer process. I've only done what works for me, but I'm not an expert or a financial advisor. So DYOR, do your own research. So I've completed that sale from US dollar Tether to fiat currency, so aka crypto to real money. I then select my accounts, I select fiat wallet, and I can then select transfer, withdraw, Great British Pounds. I select withdraw now. My bank account is saved just if I scroll down right there and select withdraw now, so I won't bring that page up. But then once you've essentially linked your crypto.com account to your bank account, you simply just select withdraw and it works. And that is a method of how you can get money from Binance out of Binance to your bank account via a third-party exchange. If you're struggling to set up or figure out the exact process of withdrawing from crypto.com to your bank, I've got a tutorial on that as well, so feel free to browse my channel. And if you'd like to support my channel for the price of a coffee a month, well actually 99p a month, you can join it, support it, get some cool badges, and I'll try and help you with any questions additional that you may have. So thank you very much. I'm not a financial advisor. Take care and see you soon.